have guessed by now that we're back at the Alton Towers Resort at the Alton Towers Hotel. This is already a big favourite of ours. We absolutely loved it here. We loved the theming, we loved the room, everything about it was perfect.
Cross my name off the list. This is without rhyme or reason.
The check-in system in particular is quite clever. You can either use these electronic check-in systems or you can use the people at reception. These are pretty good for when you're coming home late from a day at the park. Also get free balloons, which is wicked, although we don't know if that was just summer holidays or what have you. You get a choice between 1 or 2 cards for your room, and your room number shows on the screen. So we were staying in one of the Arctic Explorer suites, which is brilliant. We love the theming of the corridor, it really carries through everything.
Stick together, that won't let it all just blow to pieces. Shine your light, I know you need me to turn your life around completely. Give me one more paradox to grace. Be still and run the race. Be still and run the race.
How are the facilities?
Well, there's a kettle, without which, there's anarchy, so...
So as with most of the other places we've stayed at Alton Towers, it's the little things that really make a difference. The kids got colouring books and colouring pencils. In the bathroom there were shampoos and soaps, fully stocked with tea and coffee and milk and biscuits. As Russ said, would be anarchy without it. And of course Paul the polar bear, which the kids will introduce you to later on. Just like Splash Landings, there's a little shop on site with lots of Alton Towers goodies if you've forgotten them at the park. Things like Calpol, paracetamols, which really help when you're busy parents and sometimes you may forget things. As you can see, the entertainment at the hotel is brilliant. We had such fun watching this fella sing all night long. He did quizzes, competitions, things to get the kids dancing and singing, and he really was fantastic. We just needed to show you the outside of the hotel at night time because it is beautiful. If you get a chance, do go down outside because it is just lovely and nice and peaceful. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to Triple Trouble.
Yeah. Where are we today?
Alton Towers Hotel.
Yeah. So we've had a really good sleep in Alton Towers Hotel, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody's nice and refreshed, ready for day 2. Your hair is wild. So what is this room called? Arctic Adventure, I think this room's called. I'll put it down in a bit.
Look at this polar bear.
And there's a big polar bear. We've named him Paul. Paul the polar bear.
named him Paul. Rosie's up there.
Yeah. So we're ready for day 2. We're gonna go for breakfast first at the Secret Garden restaurant. And we'll catch up with you in the park.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
So the breakfast at Alton Towers Hotel is downstairs in the Secret Garden restaurant, and it's such a stunning restaurant. The theming is really beautiful. Plenty of spaces. I would suggest booking though, as it can get quite busy. The choices for breakfast are huge. As you can see, we've got cereals, fruit, croissants, muffins, all of that jazz, and even freshly made pancakes. I mean, can you ask for more than that? Nutella, syrup, anything you want. And of course, you have your hot breakfast. The breakfast of champions. Robin has everything. So as with all the Alton Tower Resort accommodation, you have a choice of how you get back to the park. You can go the hotel guests entranceway. This is just a slight 5-10 minute walk. You do need to get there early though, as the queue can get quite large as there is only one entrance. And the other is obviously the monorail. Again, get there early because it can get quite busy and you'll end up queuing for quite some time. And this is always good because it starts the adventure and gets you really in the mood for a day at Alton Towers. So that's the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. We've got lots more videos coming up on our top 10 tips, how to navigate with babies and little ones. So please subscribe.